Good morning students, Jai Sri Swaminarayan. Today I bring a very interesting story for all of you and the title is A Day with Panda from your English textbook standard 3. So now let's begin our story. Miss Patil has a surprise for the children. Today she is teaching them about the panda, her favorite animal. Miss Patil. Who is Miss Patil? Miss Patil is a teacher. She has a surprise. She has a surprise for the students. What is the surprise? Surprise is that she is going to teach them about panda. Panda, her favorite animal. But before the beginning of teaching, she asked the students. Miss Patil asked the children, do you know how many kinds of pandas there are? Miss Patil asked the children, do you know how many kinds of pandas there are? Swati says, Swati, one of her student, and she replied, I think there are two kinds, ma'am. Swati, Miss Patil's one student. She is not much sure about her answer, but she just guessed the answer. She think that maybe there are two kinds of pandas. She guessed. उसने just guess किया है. She is not much sure about her answer. I think there are two kinds of pandas. Yes, that's correct, says Miss Patil. Miss Patil says yes. Swati's answer was right. Swati is correct. Her answer is right. There are two kinds of pandas. How many kinds of pandas? You have to remember. There are two kinds of panda. Which kinds? First is giant panda and second one is red panda. Two kinds of pandas. Just remember that name of two kinds of pandas, giant panda and second one is red panda, which is also known as laser panda. Okay. There are two kinds of pandas. The giant panda, which is black and white. Black and white. You can see here. This is the picture of giant panda. Look at here. This is the picture of giant panda. You can see here. Its color is black and white. Giant panda's color is black and white. Okay. And the red panda, which is also known as laser panda. It is also called the laser panda, red panda, which is also known as laser panda. You can see here. Why it is called red panda? Because its color is red. You can see here. This is the picture of red panda, which is also known as laser panda. Just then there is a knock on the door. Miss Patil opens it. When she was discussed about panda with her students, just after that there was a knock on the door. Knock on the door. Someone is at the door. Oh, what a lovely surprise. Children, please welcome Panda. He is a giant panda. What is the surprise at the door? There was a panda. There was a panda. Which kind of panda is at the door? Giant panda. Giant panda came at the door to meet all the students, to answer the question of all the students. He is a giant panda. Giant panda came to the classroom and answers of all the question of students. He is here to answer all your questions. Why he is came? He is here to answer all your questions. Whatever you want to know about pandas, whatever you have queries about pandas, your all questions will be solved by this giant panda. The children are very excited to see panda. Children, when they show a panda, giant panda, at the door of classroom. They all get very excited. They want to feel his fur, but Miss Patil says, question first. When they saw the giant panda at the door, all the students get very excited. They want to touch giant panda, they want to feel giant panda, and they want to come with giant pandas. But Miss Patil, who is Miss Patil? Teacher stops all the students and she told them that you have to first ask all the questions, whatever you want to know about the pandas, you have to ask the questions to giant panda. Then you can feel the giant panda, you can touch the giant panda, okay? So, different types of questions were asked by students. Let us see which type of questions asked by students. First question, Robin, one of her student from the classroom. He asked one question, where do you come from? He asked one question and his question was, where do you come from? What he wants to know? He wants to know the home of pandas, where the pandas live. He wants to know about home of pandas. That's why he asked, where do you come from? आप लोग कहाँ रहते हो? Panda replies, we giant pandas are usually found in the forest of central China. Forest of central China. Where does giant panda live? Giant pandas live in the forest of central China. My cousins, giant pandas cousins, who? Red pandas or laser pandas. Red pandas are found not only in China but also in Myanmar, Nepal and Himalayan forest of India. You see, giant panda, they are living in forest of central China. Giant pandas are living in forest of central China. Central China के forest में वो लोग रहते हैं. Whereas red panda or laser panda, they are living in forest of China, Myanmar, Nepal, Himalaya, which is in India. Where does red pandas live? Red pandas live in the forest of China, Myanmar, Nepal and Himalaya, India, Himalayan forest of India. Now another question, how big do you grow? Ask Amir. Now Amir wants to know about height and weight of pandas. How big do you grow? He wants to know about their height, their weight and all of that. Panda replies, very big. Male giant pandas grow to about 6 feet in height. Male giant pandas. Male giant pandas, they are grow about 6 feet in height. Male giant panda की height कितनी होती है? Generally about 6 feet. Their height is about 6 feet. And weight more than 110 kilos. Height is 6 feet and weight is more than 110 kilos. They are very big. Their height is 6 feet whereas their weight is more than 110 kilos. Whereas female giant panda. Female giant pandas weigh lesser at about 105 kilos. Female giant panda, their height is generally about 105 kilos. What is your favorite food? Ask Smita. Another student of classroom, and she asked about the favorite food of giant pandas. Now she wants to know, what does panda eat? वो लोग क्या खाते हैं? So she asked the question, what is your favorite food? Giant panda replied, our favorite food is bamboo. Which is the favorite food? giant panda's favorite food is bamboo. We can eat bamboo for breakfast, lunch and dinner. We eat its stem, leaves and shoots. We have to eat large quantities of bamboo to get the nourishment we need. Bamboo. Bamboo is a giant panda's favorite animal. They eat bamboo all the time, in lunch, in dinner and breakfast. Every time they eat bamboo. Why they eat bamboo? They eat bamboo to get nourishment. Nourishment. What is the nourishment? Nourishment means food that keeps us healthy, which keeps us strong, healthy. And to stay healthy and strong, giant pandas eat bamboo for a long time. Even in breakfast, lunch and dinner, all time they eat bamboo to get nourishment, to stay healthy and to stay strong. We can spend about 10 to 12 hours a day eating. They spend 10 to 12 hours of the day in eating. पूरे दिन में 10 से 12 घंटे वो खाने में स्पेंड कर देते हैं. Why? To get nourishment, to stay healthy and strong. But captive pandas. Now another type of panda, captive pandas. Captive pandas is not, we can say, another type of panda. वो main panda कितने type के हैं? 2. Lizard panda and giant panda. But captive pandas. What is the captive panda? Captive means kept in a zoo. That pandas which are living in a zoo, which are kept in a zoo, and that is called captive pandas. It may be lizard panda and it may be giant panda. But that panda which are living in zoo, that is called captive pandas. Captive pandas have a wide variety of food. They may eat cereals, milk and garden vegetable. Captive pandas who are living in zoo, they eat cereals. Cereals means grains, vegetable, garden vegetable and milk. Okay. Now next question. Please tell us more about the red panda, says Rohit. जायंट पांडा के बारे में उन्हें अलग अलग इंफॉर्मेशन मिल गई, उनकी हाइट, उनके वेट एंड उनके फूड के बारे में. नाउ रोहित वांट्स टू नो मोर अबाउट रेड पांडा. ही वांट्स टू नो मोर अबाउट लेजर पांडा, देयर हाइट, देयर वेट, देयर अपीयरेंस, ऑल ऑफ दैट थिंग. Our cousins red panda are much smaller. Giant panda replied to the Rohit's question. He replied that our cousins red panda are much smaller. You can see they are very small in height and weight. They are usually grow as big as a full grown cat. हाइट एंड वेट कितनी होती है? फुल ग्रॉन कैट, एक कैट की तरह, जो एक बड़ी कैट होती है एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी, उनके जितनी उनकी हाइट एंड वेट होती है. दे हैव लॉन्ग बुशी टेल्स. लॉन्ग बुशी टेल, बुशी मीन्स के वेरी थिक टेल्स. रेडिश ब्राउन फर ऑन द बैक. On the back you can see there is a reddish brown fur. You know fur means रुआटी, जो छोटे छोटे हेयर होते हैं हमारी बॉडी में, that is called fur. There is a reddish brown fur on the back of reddish panda, lizard panda, and black fur on the belly. On the belly there is a black fur, ब्लैक रुआटी वहाँ पे होती है. They too love to eat bamboo. Red panda also love to eat bamboo. Bamboo is also favorite food of red panda. But they also eat insects and fruits and sometimes small animals. Bamboo is also favorite food of red panda. but they also eat insects, fruits and small animals. These all are favorite food of red panda. After all the question answers by students and giant panda, at the last Miss Patil tells the children, did you know that the life of giant panda and the red panda are in danger? After all the discussion about giant panda and red panda between the class, at the last Miss Patil, teacher asked the children that did you know the life of giant panda and red panda are in danger. They are in danger, their lives are in danger. Why? Because people are cutting down their natural home, the bamboo forest. Why their lives are in danger? Why the life of giant panda and red panda are in danger? Why? Because of us. Because of our luxurious life, people are cutting down the forest of bamboo tree, which is the natural home of giant panda and red panda. People are cutting down their home. Without home, you can imagine without home, how can you live? Home provides us safety. How can pandas live without their natural home where they live? Even bamboo, which is their food, then how can you live without your food? ठीक है, तो बिना फूड के बिना बाम्बू के वो भी कैसे जिएंगे? होम, विदाउट होम हाउ कैन दे लिव? And because of cutting down of their natural home, bamboo forest, the life of giant pandas and red pandas are in danger. Really, that's very sad. We must save our forest to help them, said Lisa. Yes, Lisa, we must, said Miss Patil. After listening that the life of giant panda and red panda are in danger, one of her class student, Lisa said that it is a very sad thing that they are losing their home, they are losing their food, and that's why their lives are in danger. So Lisa said that we have to help them. We have to help them by stop cutting down the trees. We have to save our forest to save the life of pandas and many other animals. तो थैंक यू, यहाँ पे हमारा ये चैप्टर फिनिश हुआ. थैंक यू.